Let's explore how to use the User Webstore resource on the Help section of Toolkit.law. Select the Help section. Then click on the User Webstore's title bar to access this resource. Here you can see how your professional landing page is automatically created for you. From your settings page, simply enter your service descriptions and pricing under My Services. Toolkit.law will then generate a fully customized web store that displays your offerings and adjusts buyer prices to include processing fees. A sample video is also included in the resource to demonstrate how your web store functions. You can customize your URL, manage visibility, and even redirect your existing domain to make the web store your primary professional page. Your marketing flyer is generated automatically based on the details you enter, perfect for client outreach and promotion. This tool makes it easier than ever to showcase your services, accept payments, and establish a polished online presence. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's User Web Store.